I'll be recording the video and I'll be uploading this one in the channel. Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Just respond me in the chat boxes. Good afternoon, Tarun. Good afternoon, Devraj. Good afternoon, Hunter. Okay. Good afternoon, Raghunath.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah. Try to type in the chat box only. Okay. If anything very important means you can speak. Hunter Gaming. I'm not getting your name.
I
Please
am
type me
Kaushik,
your
sir.
name.
I am Kaushik.
Kaushik. Okay. Good afternoon, Kaushik.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. Good afternoon. We shall wait for a few more minutes. Okay. Are you able to see me? Yes. Type me yes if it is yes. Okay. Okay, Raghu. Thank you. Thank you, honey. Okay. Good afternoon, every one of you. I will start. Let them. Okay. Okay, Amisha. Okay. See, let me introduce about me. Okay. My name is B. Ramesh. I am working as assistant professor in CSE department. Okay. Computer science department. I am working here since 12 years in our college. Good afternoon, every one of you. Type in the chat boxes. Are you able to listen? Please respond me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, a lot of network issues will be there. Sometimes it will be disconnected. Okay. I'll try to connect as soon as it get disconnected. Okay. Please bear with me. So I told about myself. I told about myself. And the subject, whatever you are learning, is C programming for problem solving. Just type me this subject name, every one of you, in the chat boxes. I'll wait for your inputs.
Sorry, ma'am. What? Sorry, sir. What you say? I'm late.
You type the subject name. This is your subject name. Oh, I think.
C programming.
Do you see this? Programming for problem solving.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please type me this, every one of you. Vivek, Vaishnavi, Ayusha. Okay. Your subject name is C programming for problem solving. Okay. Good, Tarun. Every one of you. Good, Kedar. This is your subject. C programming for problem solving. Okay. So the subject code 18 CPS 13 or 23. Okay. Here are the marks. Okay, these are the marks. Say at the end of this subject, you are going to learn these things. Writing about algorithms. Okay, fundamentals of C language, philosophy of problem solving. Okay, and programming constructs and decomposition of problems into functions. Okay, now here you'll be having 5 modules. Here you'll be having 5 modules. This may be disconnected frequently. I'll try to log in. Okay, I'll try to be connected. Okay, you can interrupt me if there are any issues. Say, in the first module, you're going to learn about the computer hardware and software. Okay, similarly, computer generations, computer types, bits, bytes, words. Okay, like this: CPU, primary memory, primary memory, secondary memory, ports and connections. Today you are going to learn until here. Okay. After that, input devices, output devices, computers in network, network hardware, software basics, overview of C language. Okay. This entire thing in the first module. Similarly, module 2. Okay. In the module 2, you are learning about managing input and output operations. Similarly, you're going to learn the arrays in the third module. Okay. Similarly, character arrays, strings, basic algorithms, searching and sorting algorithms. Okay. In the module 4, you are going to learn user-defined functions. And in the module 5, you are going to learn about the structures and pointers. Okay, at the end of this subject, you are going to learn, you must be able to do these things. Okay, this is what the course outcome is. Okay, you must be able to write the algorithms, you must be able to write the solution for some given problem. Okay, after that, finding out the syntax and logical errors in C programs. Okay. After that, modularizing the given problem using functions and structures. Okay, this is nothing but the subject. From the subject, what you are going to learn. Okay, and similarly, the subject is also having lab. The subject is also having lab. Okay, the lab name is C Programming Laboratory. The lab name is C Programming Laboratory. Okay, it will be having different programs where you need to execute the different programs. How many of you are familiar with programming? How many of you are familiar with programming? Okay, Kedar says S, he has. Okay, you type me S if it is S. Okay, Vivek says S. How many of you learned C language or any other languages? Okay, Hani says she too. Okay. So here we'll be having nearly 15 programs, part A and part B. Okay, where we are writing the simple programs. Okay, so the subject name and subject lab. Please type me the lab name, every one of you. C Programming Laboratory. C Programming Laboratory. Please type me this. C Programming Laboratory. Every one of you. Okay, good Kedar, good Vivek, good Vaishnavi, good Yashasri, good Swati. C Programming Laboratory. Okay, it's not CD, Sharana. Okay, good. Good Devraj. Okay. Now, see here. We will start with the subject. The subject name is C Programming for Problem Solving. Okay. The textbooks which you can refer is Programming in ANSYS C by E. Balaguri Swami. Okay. Programming in ANSYS C by E. Balaguri Swami. Okay. Now, we will learn something about the syllabus. Computer generations. Okay. Say the definition of computer. Who can define the computer? If you want to say the definition of computer, plus you can unmute and you can say. Who knows the definition of computer? You can type in the chat box also. Okay, let me do by myself. Computer is an electronic device. Is an electronic device which takes the input, okay, process it, and gives the output. Okay. This is the definition of computer. So, computer is an electronic device which takes the input, processes it, and gives the output. Okay. Say it has various parts like input. Similarly, CPU. Similarly, it will be having output. Now, okay. Now we had the computers, different generations. Okay, whenever we talk about generations, that is the first topic. Computer generations. You see there, today you are going to learn about computer generations, computer types, bits, bytes, words, CPU, primary memory, and secondary memory, and ports and connections. Now, computer generations. Whenever we talk about generations, it's about the hardware. And the software. Okay, what are the hardware technologies we are using? What are the software technologies we are using? That makes a generation. That makes the generation of the computers. It has 5 generations. As of now, we are having 5 generations. The first generation, they used to use vacuum tubes. Okay, they used to use vacuum tubes that were in between 1946 to 1959. Similarly, the second generation, it was from 1959 to 1965. They were using transistors. Next, third generation. Dear students, it may be disconnected. I'll try to connect it. Okay. If some issue happens, anyhow, I'm going to record this. I'm going to place in the YouTube. Okay. Everything is recorded. Now,
Okay, sir.
we are having for. Tell me anything to ask.
No,
No, sir.
Okay.
Nothing, sir.
This will be recorded. This will be recorded. Do you see the record option here on the top? Okay. It is recorded
Send the
and
PDF in.
Sir.
yeah, we will send that one also.
Okay, sir.
Everything will be shared.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Now, you see there, we had first generation computers. It was vacuum based, vacuum tube based. Second generation, it was transistor based. Third generation, it was integrated circuits. Okay. The next one was fourth generation computers. It was from 1971 to 1980. It is based on VLSI technology. Lot of chips in a single chip. Okay. Next, fifth generation. It is ultra large scale ULSI microprocessor based computers. Okay. Five generations. Five generations. Say you see here the first generation. I'm opening in the internet. Okay. I'm using the internet. Say this is how the first generation computer looks. Okay. This is how the first generation computer looks. It looks very big. Okay. Half of the room size. Half of the room size. Say it is based on vacuum tube technology. They are unreliable. Okay. They are unreliable. If you write the programs, whether we may get the output or we may not get. Okay. It supports only machine level language. Zeros and ones. Okay. It understands only zeros and ones. Okay. Now it is very costly. It was very costly. It used to generate a lot of heat. It used to generate a lot of heat. Okay. Similarly, it was slow input and slow output. Slow input and slow output. The size was very big. It needs AC, air conditioning, to make that one as cool. It was non-portable. We can't carry this big device. Okay. It was fixed. It consumed a lot of electricity. Okay. It consumed a lot of electricity. Say the names of those computers were ENIAC. Okay. These are the different computers. IBM 701, IBM 650. These are the examples of first generation computers. Okay. Please type me any one of these computers names in the chat box. You see five names of the first generation computers. Please type me any one of them. Type me in the chat box. Okay, IBM 650, IBM 650, IBM 701. Okay, UNIVAC. Okay, good Vivek, good Saida, good Kokila KR, good Yashasri. Okay, these are the first generation computers. You see there how much big it was. Okay, it was very big. It was used from 1946 to 1959. Similarly, if you go for the second generation computers, it was from 1959 to 1965. Okay, are you able to understand? Am I fast? Please say me yes
No,
or no.
sir.
Continue, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
If I'm fast,
Continue, sir.
if I'm fast, you can interrupt me. Okay.
Okay, sir.
See the second generation computers. You see there. This is the example for the second generation computers. It was less in size as compared to first generation computers. Okay, so they
we
used
can't see the
transistors.
PowerPoint presentation.
Huh?
We can't see the PowerPoint presentation.
This one, are you able to see this one?
No, sir, we are able to see you, like not the PPT.
Oh, it is. How many of you can't able to see? You see there? Do you see this one? Do you see the some image on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the example for second generation computers.
Yes, sir.
They used to do this one by using transistors. Okay, how many of you know transistors? In PUC, you may be read about the transistors. Is it? Okay. NPN, PNP. All those are the examples for transistors.
Yes, sir.
Please mute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Vivek,
Transistors, semiconductors.
if you have any issues, you type in the chat box. Okay. They are reliable. They are reliable as compared to first generation computers. Similarly, they are of small size as compared to first generation computers. Similarly, they used to generate very less heat as compared to first generation computers. Okay. Similarly, they used to consume less electricity as compared to first generation computers. They are faster as compared to first generation computers. They are very costly. Okay, very costly. They require AC. Similarly, they used to operate only on machine level language and assembly level languages. Okay. Less in size, less in size. That's about the second generation computers. So the names of those computers were IBM 1620, IBM 7094, CDC 1604, CDC 3600, UNIVAC 1108. Okay, these are the examples. These are the examples for the second generation computers. Okay. I'll go for the third generation. It was from 1965 to 1971. You see there? They used to look like this. Do you see the image? Type me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
This
sir.
image. Okay, these are third generation computers. Okay, the main features are they used to use ICs, integrated circuits. Okay, they were made up of integrated circuits. They were reliable. They were reliable. Okay, they were smaller in size. Similarly, they used to generate very less heat. Okay, and they were faster. They were faster. Lesser maintenance. Lesser maintenance. It was little costly. Okay. Similarly, AC was required. AC was required. It consumed less electricity and it supported high-level languages like C language. C is one of the high-level language. If you see the names of those computers, IBM 360, Honeywell 6000, okay, PDP and IBM, these numbers, TDC 316. These are examples for the third generation computers. Okay, they used to use the language like Fortran, COBOL, Pascal, BASIC, and ALGOL. Okay, please type me these languages. These are the languages. Fortran. Okay, Fortran stands for formula translation. Okay, please type me any one of these language. COBOL stands for Common Business Oriented Language. Pascal. Okay. Similarly, BASIC and ALGOL. Please type me any of these language in the chat box. Okay, good, Nisarga. Fortran, COBOL, Pascal. Any one of the language. Every one of you. Tarun, Vaishnavi, BASIC and Pascal. Okay. Good, Akash. Good. These are, you see there, these are the names of the languages. COBOL, Pascal, BASIC, and ALGOL 68. Okay. Now we shall move to the fourth generation computers. See here, fourth generation computer. This is how the fourth generation computer looks. Okay. It has a monitor, it has CPU, the middle part is CPU, and this is the keyboard, very big keyboard. Okay. Do you see the fourth generation computer? Please type me yes or no. Say yes or no. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. You see there, fourth generation computer. This is how it looks. Say,
Yes, sir.
they were using VLSI technology, very very large scale integration in a small chip. In a small chip, they will introduce n number of circuits. Okay, that's what the VLSI stands for. They are very cheap. They are very cheap. They are portable. They are portable. What is the meaning of portable? They are portable.
Move from one space to another space.
Yes, good, good, Vivek. See here,
No.
whenever we say portable computers, they were carrying. We can carry them. We can port them. Okay. Other generation, the previous generations, they were not able to carry. They were not portable, and they are reliable. They are reliable. If I write a program, they will give you the output, exact output, whatever we want. That's what the reliable is. Similarly, they were small in size. Okay. And no AC was required. And no AC was required. Now, at this time, internet concept was introduced. Internet. Okay. Internet stands for connection of networks. Connection of networks worldwide. Okay. Now, the names of those computers were DEC-10, Star 1000, PDP-11, Cray-1, Cray-XMP. Okay, Cray-1 and Cray-XMP are supercomputers. Cray-1 and Cray-XMP are supercomputers. Okay, whenever we say the supercomputers, they do a lot of processing. They are very faster. Okay, please type me Cray-1, every one of you. Cray-1. Please type me Cray-1. Only Cray-1. Every one of you, Vivek, Vaishnavi, Syed, okay, capitals. CRAY must be in capitals. Okay, Abdul, okay, good Abdul, good Vaishnavi. Okay, good Akash, good Yashashwini, good Syed. Okay. Vivek, I told you it will be getting disconnected just for 15 minutes or 20 minutes. Okay. Just bear with that.
Okay, sir.
It is network issue. It is network issue. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you see the screen? Do you see the notepad?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
It is used in artificial intelligence. Okay. Present fifth generation computers. Can anyone tell what is artificial intelligence?
It is an advanced way of technology used to create new apps and
Okay.
developments.
Okay. I'll give my definition. Program program thinks like human being. Okay, this is the definition for AI. Okay, artificial intelligence stands for program thinking like human being. Okay, that can be achieved by using the fifth generation computers. Now, if you see the characters, they're used for natural language processing. If I say they can respond you in natural language, they can respond in Hindi, they can respond in Kannada, they can respond you in German, French. Okay, that's what the natural language processing is. Okay, similarly parallel processing, we can do multiple tasks at a time. That is what the parallel processing is. Okay, whenever we talk about superconductor technology, it is advancement in some technology. Okay, similarly it uses multimedia features for gaming purpose. Okay, these fifth generation computers are very fast. They can be used for playing very tough games, very complex games, which may be spread over internet. Okay, one of the friend, they may be sitting in one place, the other friend, he may be sitting in other country. Okay, both will be playing together. That is enabled by using the fifth generation computers. Okay, if you see the PUBG, okay, if you see PUBG, that can be played with people in different countries. Is it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir.
that can be enabled only in the fifth generation computers. Okay. Now, if you see the examples, different types of this generation are desktops. Okay, whatever the computers that can be placed on a desk will be known as the desktops. Similarly, laptops. Okay, they are the computers which can be holded in the laps. Okay. Similarly, notebooks, they'll be looking like notebooks, our notebooks. Similarly, ultrabooks. Similarly, Chromebook. Okay, we'll be having these type of all these things will be coming under the fifth generation computers. Okay, now again, they can be categorized as the microcomputers. All your personal computers are known as microcomputers. Laptops, Chromebooks, ultrabooks, all will be coming under microcomputers. Say, I'll give microcomputers. Images. Okay. You see there? These are the examples for microcomputers. Okay. Similarly, the next type of computers are mini computers. They are used in shopping malls. For billing purpose. Okay, for billing purpose. Mini computers. I'll type mini computers here. Images for mini computers. Mini computer images. You see there, the mini computers will look like this. Okay, no much difference between the mini computers and the microcomputers. The next computers, they are based on the size. They are based on the size, okay, and different capabilities. And mainframe computers, okay, they are very large. They are very large, okay. They are known as legacy systems. They are known as legacy systems used from many years. Used from many years for banks. They will be used in banks because banks will be having a lot of data. Banks will be having a lot of data. Okay, if you want to store a lot of data, we need mainframe computers. Let me show you the mainframe computers. Please type me mainframe computers, everyone. Mainframe. You see there how the mainframe computer look like. Please type me mainframe computers, every one of you. Good. Good Tariq, good Tarun, good good Sukrut, good Vaishnavi. You see there how it looks like mainframe computers. They are very huge. They are very huge. They stores a lot of data. Okay, when we take the example of bank, it will be having a lot of data. Similarly, Big Bazaar. If you take the example of Big Bazaars, or if you take the example of Walmart, okay, or if you take any chain shopping malls, they'll be having a lot of data. They need a lot of data need to be stored. Okay, for that they'll be using mainframe computers. Okay, similarly, when it comes to the supercomputers, faster, they are very fast, they are super fast. Okay, they are super fast. They'll be used in various research fields. Okay, they'll be used in satellite. They'll be used in satellite things. Similarly, they'll be used in earthquake predictions. Earthquake predictions. Okay. Say if I'll give the example here, I'll give the example for supercomputers. Supercomputers. You see there, the supercomputers. They also somewhat look like they'll be having a span of a room. Okay. You see there on the right side, this is a supercomputer. Okay. They may be spread over in a huge building because it requires a lot of processors, multiple processors put together. It's simple. Uh, we can say multiple computers put together is a supercomputer. Okay, sorry for interruption. Say, do you see the notepad? Do you see the notepad?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'll try to resolve this. I'll try to resolve this. From 2 or 3 days, I'm getting like this. Okay. Some network issues. Just bear with me. Say, you see there, I was telling you about the types of computers based on the performance, based on the size, based on the activities it does. We will divide them as microcomputers, mini computers, mainframe computers, supercomputers, servers, workstations, information appliances, embedded computers, like this. I told you the example of microcomputers. They'll be used for personal purposes. Okay. Similarly, mini computers, they may be used in shopping malls. Okay. Mainframe computers, they'll be used in banks. Okay. Large institutes, large enterprises. Similarly, supercomputers. Okay. They are very fast. They'll be used in a research purpose. Okay. Servers. Okay. There will be different types of servers: database servers, web servers, file servers, like this. Okay. It's a group of computers. It's a group of computers. Say, let me show you the image of servers. You see there, the right side. Okay. The right side, hand symbol. Okay, this is the server. This is the server, how the server looks like. The right side arrow symbol where you can find. Okay. Now, the next thing is workstations. The next thing is workstations. Okay, they are group of computers. They are group of computers for a specific operation. For a specific operation. Okay. Say, for example, we may find them in stadiums. We may find in stadiums. Okay. Or some functions. For some functions, we may find them. A group of computers which will be performing a particular task. Okay. They are known as workstations. Say, I'll give the example here. Workstations. Workstation computers. You see there how it looks like. See there, you see the image, how it looks like, the workstations. This is a gaming workstation. This is a gaming workstation. Okay, this is one of the example for the gaming workstation. Okay. Now, the next thing is information appliances. They are used in research. They are used in research. They are used in research. They are used in homes. Okay, etc. Next, embedded computers. Embedded computers. Examples: oven. Okay, remote control. Remote control. All these are examples for micro oven. Okay, all these are examples for embedded computers. Okay, please type me embedded computers, every one of you. Please type me embedded computers, every one of you. Okay, good Kedar, good Abdul. Okay, please type me parallelly. Please. Okay, good. Okay, good. You see there the embedded computers. Okay, all these are the examples for embedded computers. Even phone, fax, this robot, small doll robots. Okay, phones, mobiles, cameras, everything will be coming under everything will be coming under embedded computers. Okay, because they'll be using some language. We are using some languages for the operation of these computers. Okay, the next concept is the bit. Okay, everybody type bit. Everybody type the bit, bit. Okay, good Tarun, good Sukrut, good Tariq, good Saida, good Yashasri, good Kedar. Okay, good Vivek, good Swati, good Yashashwini, good Kokila, good Likhit, good Tejas, good Abdul, good Aisha, good Vishwa. Okay, very good every one of you. See here, good Akash. See here, whenever we say bit, the long form of bit is binary digit. The long form of bit is binary digit. The data in the digital computers is stored in bits. Okay, internally zeros and ones. Internally zeros and ones. It's known as machine language. It's known as machine language. Okay, the computers will understand only zeros and ones. Okay, so when we group the bits, it is known as byte. Group of 8 bits. Group of 8 bits is known as 1 byte. Similarly, nibble. Okay, we are having nibble. 4 bits. 4 bits. Okay, 4 bits is known as 1 nibble. Similarly, 8 bits. We can say 1 byte. Okay. Similarly, 1 KB will be 1024 bits. 1 MB stands for 1024 KB. 1 gigabyte 1024 MB. Okay, 1 terabyte 1024 GB. 1 petabyte 1024 terabytes. Okay. Now, when it comes to KB, images. Okay, we'll be taking photos happily. Is it? We'll be taking photos happily. So images will be in KBs. Okay, images will be in KBs. Okay, let me show you in my computer if I'm having any image. Okay, generally images will be in KBs. Next, we'll be having MBs. Okay, MBs. Songs will be in MBs. Okay, now gigabytes. Movies will be in gigabytes. Okay, similarly terabytes, maybe web series will be in terabytes. Okay, petabytes. Okay, banking data, example is banking data. So you must know what is a bit. The definition of a bit is, it is binary digit. It stands for binary digit. It is a machine level language. Similarly, bytes, group of bits is known as bytes. Group of 8 bits is known as 1 byte. Similarly, group of 4 bits is known as 1 nibble. Similarly, group of 1024 bits is known as 1 KB. Okay, like this you must know all these things. The next thing is word. Okay, when we group the group of digits or group of binary digits, it is known as a word. It may be 16 bit, it may be 32 bit, or it may be 64 bits. Okay, you may be heard 64 bit computer, 32 bits computer, 16 bit computer. That means the word the computer can process in 16 bits or 32 bits in such a way. Okay. So we can stop here. Let me revise what you have learned today. Okay, I told you what is the subject name. I told you what is the subject name, and you must know what you are going to learn from this subject. Okay, at the end of this semester, you'll be learning all these things. Okay, by the end of this subject. Next, in today's class, you learn computer generations, computer types. Okay, what is bit, what is bytes, and what is word. Okay. Dear students, I'm recording these things. I'll be sending you the link. Okay, whoever is not present, they can view it. Okay. Okay, thank you, every one of you. You can leave.
Thank you, sir.
Are you able to understand? Please give me a response.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you have any troubles, you can message me in the WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you, every one of you. Try to be in time from next class
Thank
onwards.
you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, every one of you. If you are having any network issues or if you are not understanding anything, you can contact me. Thank you, every one of you.